Right. If you're in the Magic Schools for Teachers dashboard, you'll know if you have student access because you'll see this launch to student button over here, or you'll see the toggle up here for you to test the tools. Not all of our teachers have access to Magic Student. You have to go through that three-step process and fill out the form. So if you have access and you want your students to now be required to log in, you have to go into your dashboard for the student rooms. You'll see I have a bunch of them here. Then you can edit any one of those rooms, and there'll be a toggle on the first screen that says require login. If you switch this to require login, they will then have to sign in with their Shen Schools account before they'll be able to use the room. And what that means for you is when you're looking at your dashboard here and you go into the room, you'll see all of your students down the left-hand side, and instead of them using an anonymous name, it'll say their first name and their last initial like this here. Okay, so that's if the students are logging in using their Shen Schools ID, you can track what they do in each tool by their name. So the first time students use Magic School after you've set it up the required login, they will have to associate their Shen Schools email address with their Clever account. And it's really a three-step process. And then after that, it becomes a 1 to 2 step process to sign in. So what your students will do is they will click on the sign in button. Then they'll be taken to a screen where they type their email address in. Once they type their email address in, it should find them and bring them to the Clever screen where they click the login with Google button to sign in. After that, they will only have to click the sign in button and choose their account, which should already be associated on the screen.